Class 12th, Subject Biology, Chapter 1, Reproduction in Organism. Reproduction, the process of producing babies or young or the production of copies of something. When two parents are involved in reproduction and gametes formation takes place, it is called sexual reproduction. The process by which an organism produce its offspring is called reproduction. When a single parent is involved in reproduction and gametes formation does not happen, it is called asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, the periods through which a certain organism lives in known as its lifespan. It is the process by which every organism ensures its continuity. It is the process through which organisms produce young ones, which in turn mature to give rise to their young ones. जैसे कि elephants babies elephants, goat babies goats, crow babies crow. Reproduction can be asexual, only one individual is involved. Sexual, the two individual male and female are involved. Asexual reproduction, in these types a single parents can be produced offspring. Offspring means progeny. The produce offspring are clone of each other that identical to each other and to the parents. It is commonly seen in unicellular organisms belonging to the Protista and Monera. The cell division itself is the mode of reproduction. Means of asexual reproduction, binary fission, budding. Binary fission, in this process, the cell divided into halves and each half develops into an adult paramecium and amoeba. Binary fissions of amoeba present in this figure. Budding, the cell divided unequally to form buds which remain attached to the parents initially and then detach and develop into a mature cell. Example: yeast. Budding of yeast. Formation of specialized structure. Conidia, for example penicillium. Gammules, for example sponges. Buds, hydra. Zoospores, microscopic motile spores, example algae. Vegetative propagations. It means of asexual reproduction in plants. Different structures are capable of giving rise to new plants. Runner, example gladius. Rhizomes, ginger. Sucker, tuber, examples potato. Offset, bulb, onion.